trader, 5646RE. By driving as a lorry driver started on one of these in 1967. We still had a Thames trader running at the time. This particular example is owned by Mr. Bolton from Osler Street. Splendid condition. Then another Thames trader, it's got two. One that's been about for quite a while, I hate to think, 25-30 years. Mr. Price from Convoy, as was Price Fellows, Ford trader, VSK 112. Then another one. Here we go, XUN 107. Good Lord. 3 Thames traders. That's it, that's more like the one that I drove when passing my test. So, lovely example of a working horse. And then we've got, of course, Mr. Lee's Dodge, driven by a dodgy expert, Charlie Dale. So there you go. We've got a comma coming up now. I think that would be a TS3, I'm not sure. DY4676. Yeah, to the TS3. Fluid Ellis. Forward. Still in orbits today, still carrying cattle food and blowing food and that sort of thing, so there you go. Now we've got the ERF LV KDJ94D, which I've seen about before, owned by Mr. Oakley from Bayston Hill.
I've got documented now.
I think I know Mr. Oakley Bayston Hill. There you go, lovely LV. And then the splendid is 7134. What a lovely thing to drive and be proud of. I think it's an excellent example of 7134 and 2. I don't appreciate it, do you? HUX 902E. So there you go. As was in the Williams fleet at the time. Then we got a Ford D series from Mr. Wilson at Sporton near Garstang. Sporton's the home of another event up there. Now we've got the BMC there, RMS 688G, number 14, Clifton Babington Lynn. And his good lady is always knitting. Knitting to the family. Got his tractor on the back there. And away we go. Now another 713 book. The long wheelbase on this. Duncan Kennel DK643G. Another example of, what we call a 16-tonner at the time. Long wheelbase. Nice aluminium snap on it. Living accommodations of old, obviously. And then we have a Gardner 120 ERF 64G FTS 467J. Now, would this be owned by somebody in Dundee? I ask myself. The publisher, the paper, the magazines and papers all over the UK. I think he might do. I do recognise it as that, or I think so. Mr. Lloyd, number 49 at your catalogue, a lovely little carrier bantam, ALG something J, owned by Mr. Lloyd from Lightning Festinia, Cheshire Ranger. Very much of a favourite with the utility companies and the Solid Council. Got a Bedford here, OBU 640R, owned by Wiles Plant Hire Authority in Wiles. He's still got the dumper on the back, which he bought some 50 years ago and never hired it out. Not very successful driving things, apparently. Evidence of that is on the back with the dumper. Mr. Chandler from Landrid on Wells. AFW 429S. Originally restored by John Bowie for the Jeffrey family. Melbourne. Carry his tractors round with me. Mr. Neil James, new entrant. I've seen him before at all with his Dale and Watty. To keep going Mr. Neil James, 908 NFD, lovely little there. So, we have something about an unusual one, bringing it, keep showing him off. Very unusual for a kid, never really brought on, and his owner would be able to tell you a lot more about it than me, but it's what they call a multi-drive. So the axles actually drive on the trailer as well as the drive axle on the track unit. And you can see it's coupled through the diff to another prop, alright? And these were, a lot were owned by tarmac quarries, alright, in their time. Now he's just going to do a bit of a twirl. Now you will see that it's rear axle drive on the trailer, both axles driving. If you look at it now, it's steering. So it's a self-steer as well, which does this. Just had one top by from Ford Model T, and then Mr. Onions' Ford Model T bus, which was used in Montgomery in its early days. Now in the Onions collection, some safety there. Which is owned by the Emerton family. A very happy birthday to you, James Emerton. You must be the youngest in the family, because I know the older parts of the family very well. There you go, they've been coming for years. So I'll look forward to young James keeping the tradition up of showing their beautiful buses. And they have quite a range, quite a few of them. So there you go. Believe it or not, it's a Leyland comic, not an Albion, same cab, LAD cab as they call it. A Leyland comic converted, FBS 457H. Dunning was ordered a team of these, specially built for quarry work and delivering asphalt, hot asphalt as well. This one's owned by Roger Titley, who actually would have drove one in their time, in 1970, and still did some of the driving. Right. Southbound Motor Services, here we go. Another is splendid quality bus. Lovely thing. CUF 404, owned by Mr. Turpin from London. Come nice one to see us. A lovely Leyland Cup, I've not seen one like it before. And then we got the phone belonging to Mr. Brian from Fraser Arms, KMA 53553, obviously a phone registered vehicle, and parked in the little station at Onneberry, on there, as you can go across the crossing on the way A45 south, as you got there, the way to go. Next, of course, the 1949 Crosby SD42/7 FAW334. I don't know how long these keep coming, but keep coming. 945 there. Using my now I don't know who the original owner was. I need to know. Nice to the local resident bus there. One good supply that you get by pretty much everything. Here we go, we've seen this before. A lovely little local transport country bus. And that ran itself absolutely. Very rare those NXX 326 which was drive, and then the steer, here we go. Ford the steer, the leather steer. Morgan right down here in front of them. This is one of the carers split up, so I believe it's electric vehicle. Because you can see two steering and one drive. And you find that the driver axle set right back. No capacity, although only adding a ton or two, no capacity went from 14 tons to 18 tons. Another 2 ton on with the extra axle as well. So there was a benefit from it. So there you go. Right, you've seen what we can muster up to get into the ground without making too much of a mess. Although it's flying up nicely. Yesterday did the damage, but we're alright. I think this afternoon we'll have a bigger showing, but tomorrow we'll try and get some more. Now that's it. Here's Andy Boyle and Monty Roy. Now Andy Boyle is from good old Leslie area, within the mortgage, but very good idea to get rid of all those lorries and all those that we agree with. And of course, a restorer of lorries, and you can see now that very